Alright guys, 88 Corvette. Got some more work done. Got the AC compressor back in its place, bolted up. That plate back on. Got the tensioner on. About to put the water pump pulley on so I can put the belt back on and start running the rest of the EGR stuff and go from there. It's coming together. This car's gonna run nice and cool again. It's gonna be nice. Alright guys, well that's your quick update. I'll get you another one here in a few. Alright guys, give you a quick little update here.
Oh my god, Birdie's shooting video on his own. I hope when he airdrops these, he doesn't send the ones for his OnlyFans to me.
Whoops. Just screen Scotty. Anyways, got the pulley on.
We're gonna call that sword fighting.
Got the front piece on. I don't even know what the heck you call that thing. Belt is on.
Big stupid heavy thing.
Got the EGR tube in. About to drop the EGR.
That's the air injection, not EGR.
Whatever. It looks like an EGR to me.
Doesn't matter to me. You know why? It's just smog crap either way. It doesn't need to be there.
That's a smoke pump.
You're
anyways,
pump.
Yeah. So we're just working along here. And yeah, hopefully in the next 30 minutes or so, we'll get some coolant in it.
That's all we really got to do.
Yep. Yay, Corvette. All right, guys. That's your quick update.
Aaron's.
Later. Yes, sir.
Are we gonna fire in the hole?
Yeah, we're gonna fire this thing up.
Yay! Ooh, look at bubbles. Hey, Bernsey. It's definitely sucking.
Oh, yeah.
It'd be so nice for this thing not to vomit coolant anymore. Speaking of, I think you might need to dump some in there.
Yeah.
Wow. So far, so good?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, right there. Scoop it a little. Wow. It's a good car. I do like it.
I like the car in general. I like the engineering they put in there. There's just still room to work. And kind of big hands. You know what they say about big hands, right?
You gotta wear big gloves.
Yeah.
Because we know. No pee-pee! Yes, sir. So we're running, and everything's all peachy keen. But now what the hell's leaking? So let's jack up that side while it's running, Bernsey. Alright, so it's been piddling, which is very annoying. Yep, we've called the vendor, and it is coming out the weep hole. How quaint and convenient. So, are we in a good mood about this?
No.
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 Are we a little pissed off?
Just a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, they're going to get a nice labor claim because it takes a long time to do a water pump on this car because of all the crap in the way. Nick's doing some Mustang wire wheelie fun time. So, yeah, that's real fun. Real cute. Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. Not happy.